Welcome to Be Yog, Be Your Own Guide. Today is day 7 of the 30-day evening meditation series, and today's guided meditation is specifically to help you fall asleep fast for a deep, peaceful, restful, good night's sleep. So I invite you to follow this guided meditation as you're lying down, maybe at night or maybe any time in the day that you want to rest. Simply lie down. Ideally, unless there is a physical condition, I would recommend lying down on your back. And as you lie down, ensuring that your arms are besides your body, your legs are straight out. And as you lie down, feeling your own weight, almost as if the bed is pulling you in, and bringing awareness to the breath. And as you take the next inhale, allowing the inhale to gently expand the body, creating space and expansiveness. And as you exhale, letting it all go and going deeper into the bed, going deeper in, letting it all go, releasing, relaxing, loosening up. And with the next breath out, allow yourself to release all of the breath with all of the energies not needed in this moment. With a sigh, a long drawn out sigh. Oh, beautiful. And now breathing normally. And as you breathe, if your eyes are not already closed, gently closing them and allowing your eyes to rest. Allowing your eyes to rest, allowing your face to rest, letting the jaw muscles relax, letting the temples relax, letting the head muscles, the muscles in and around the skull, letting it all relax and letting the back of your head go deeper into the pillow, into the bed. And then letting the shoulders release and relax and ease into the bed. Letting the shoulders loosen up. And with the next breath in, allowing the breath to fill up your chest, fill up the shoulders, expanding, creating space. And then as you breathe out with a sigh from the mouth, letting it all go. Oh. And then breathing normally. At any point in this meditation, if you begin to doze off, that's absolutely fine. You don't even have to stay with the meditation. You can let go of the meditation. The aim of today's meditation is to allow the sleep to be deep and restful. Now, for a moment, tense up, tighten up your shoulders and your arms, upper arms, tighten them more, tighten the shoulders, tighten the upper arms, a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more, and now let them all go. And then with the next breath out, let it go again from the mouth. Loosen the muscles more around the shoulders. And then letting the upper back, loosen up, relax, release. With the in-breath, allowing a little bit of spaciousness. And with the out-breath, letting it all loosen up and go. And letting the back fall deeper into the bed. And then allowing the lower back to also soften and loosen and fall yet deeper into the bed. And then allowing your sit bones, your hips, to also gently release and ease as you take the next breath in, creating space in the pelvic floor, the pelvic bowl. And with a gentle sigh, exhale, letting the muscles around the pelvic floor, pelvic bowl, your hips loosen and ease, and allowing your upper body, your head, your back, your hips to fall deeper into the bed. And now allowing this deep relaxation to go into your legs, through the hips to the thighs, knees, legs, the calf muscles, the ankles, the feet, the sole of your feet, your toes, the heels, as if your entire body feels heavy, sleepy, falling into the bed, allowing your eyes to get drowsier and drowsier, allowing your entire body to continually fall into the bed, getting heavier and heavier, drowsier and drowsier, into a relaxed, deep sleep for the night. A dreamless, thoughtless, quiet, peaceful sleep for tonight. Letting it all go for this moment. Taking in each breath, allowing the breath to create a deeper state of relaxation. And as each breath goes out, allowing this state of relaxation to further stabilize and deepen. And as you take the next breath, you're fallen into a deep sleep. Deep, 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 peaceful, restful, relaxed state. Then you floated into a restful sleep that will allow your body and your mind to rejuvenate, to recoup, to be fresh for tomorrow. Just for now, just for today. Let go of everything. Let go of it all. And just gently drift off into ease, release, relaxation.